How to upload file on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to upload file on Facebook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store and see if your Facebook application is updated or not. And if not, then go ahead and update your Facebook application. Now open the Facebook application and make sure you are signed in. Now, once signed in, tap on the menu button on the bottom right of your screen and now tap on your name. Here on the toolbar where you see posts, about, photos, and other tools like that, you will see the option for file too. Simply tap on the file option and upload the file that you are looking forward to upload on Facebook. I currently do not have the file option as this feature is not available in my country yet. So this is how you can upload file on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.